And today we are going to talk about the fuel injection pump and also about the injectors, the different type of injectors. We have injectors like this. What is the name of this? It's like a
Pencil?
It's a pencil. You remember the pencil things, the anodes? That those are pencil injectors. It's narrow, no? This is the injector that you have in your engine that you are repairing. It's like a pencil, and in the nozzle they have 3 small orifices, 120 degrees separated. Yeah, 3 small orifices here, here, and here. If you check with the magnifier, you have those orifices. And the name of this type of injector is nozzle. Excuse me. Hole and this is hole system with 3 holes, and the other one is the pintle with the pintle going out. You see, you can touch the pintle. You can touch the pintle here.
Oh, the inside is like going to the out?
It's out, you see? Okay. The pintle is going out. You see the pintle.
Oh yeah.
And this one, the hole, you need a
Oh, very small hole.
Very small hole, you see?
Small, yeah.
Yeah,
very,
those 3 holes
small.
separated 120. For example, I put one of those here, and come in here, and you see. 2 holes are open, and the other one is broken. Is clogged. You see?
Just put in that one.
2.
Very nice. This size is
2
broken.
open,
Clog.
and 1 is clogged. This one. Yeah, pump it. Pump. You see?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Pump it hard.
Hard.
Yeah. This is the typical pattern, but one is not
Working. Spring in.
Clogging.
Should cover the whole
one
area.
of the hole is clogged.
Clogged.
What is the symptom in that cylinder? What is the symptom in that cylinder with this injector?
It's too hot.
Not too hot, but
lean,
it's hot.
Lean mixture.
Okay.
It's not too hot because you have fuel, but not the amount necessary for that cylinder. And you have misfiring in that cylinder. And the temperature in that cylinder, when you check with the laser gun, is higher in comparison with the other. It's not ultra higher. The engine not shut down for temperature, but that cylinder is high. And when you put in the tester, you apply the pressure, yes, 2 of them clogged. In some cases, 2 clogged. In this one is 1 hole clogged. In some cases, 2. In some cases, all of them. You pump it, and not open. Because dirty fuel.
Dirty fuel.
Yeah.
So it doesn't clog the holes.
Yeah.
Clog the holes.
Or corroded the nozzle and damage the nozzle. This is one symptom. Let me show another symptom. We are going to open. Don't forget, try to get those special wrenches. No, with those wrenches it's easy. But I don't have the other one. Let me change for these ones. I am going to show another one. This is hole type. Hole type. 1, 2, 3 holes.
Okay.
And I am going to install another one. This one is a pintle.
Pintle.
Touch the pintle. It's over there. Yeah. Yeah. I'm going to install the pintle here, and I am going to verify this one. And we are going to verify what is the problem with this injector. No, not yet. No.
Yeah.
Dale. Pump it. Pump it like a man.
Get air.
Okay.
Yeah, dale.
Ooh.
Dale. Okay. Yeah, stop. If you see that one is pass your fingers. It's leaking. It's leaking. It's leaking.
After he's done?
Yeah.
When he's not pumping it.
It's supposed that should be closed. No leaking. No leaking. You touch.
Let me pump again. Try.
It's not-
Continue
a little
leaking,
bit, a little
continue
bit.
leaking, continue leaking, continue leaking, and
it's
you
leaking.
see when you press the pattern is not open 120 degrees is
Goes
straight. What happened in that cylinder? It's leaking all the time. It's
you have
leaking,
the
leaking. Yeah, it's leaking. What happened?
Vapor lock?
Uh,
or hydro lock?
No. That cylinder, especially when the engine is in idle for a long period of time, accumulate too much fuel. When you accelerate, you have a lot of black smoke.
black smoke.
No, it's black smoke. And the temperature of that cylinder is a little lower in comparison with the other one because it's rich mixture in that
Rich
cylinder.
mixture,
Rich mixture.
yeah, rich
And the
mixture.
other one was lean
Lean
mixture.
mixture.
No? This is why follow the service manual. The recommendation of the service manual is remove the injector each 250 hours or 500 hours, remove the injectors. If you have the tester, test it. If not, send to the machine shop. They test it. They verify the pattern equal in all of them. They have in the laboratory different techniques. They put those injectors to work at the same time, and they collect the fuel for 2 minutes. And they say, okay, oh, that one, the amount is less. Is running lean. Or that one, oh, it's too high. Is rich. No, all of them in 5 minutes or 2 minutes running should be
Equal, same.
should be producing the same amount of fuel. No, but you can do if you have the tester. You say 10 pump, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, and you collect in a container. The other one, 1, 2, 3, 10, all of them. Okay, equal. Oh, that one is too low. Let me check the pattern. Oh yeah, it's straight or it's not opening, or 2 of them open and the other hole not open. Yeah, this is why I recommend. You can fabricate one of those. You remember the hydraulic jack, the paddle? With one of those, in the book, I explain the step-by-step process to
make it.
Yeah.
Do they sell these though as well?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's cool.
It's on the book. It's on the book. Have a seat 1 second, please.